Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Ahoj.
Bye.
Ahoj.
Yes.
Ano.
No.
Ne.
Thank you.
Děkuji.
You're welcome.
Prosím.
Sorry.
Promiň.
How are you?
Jak se máš?
Good.
Dobře.
Bad.
Špatně.
It's okay.
OK.
Maybe.
Možná.
Of course.
Samozřejmě.
I.
Já.
You.
Ty.
You.
Vy.
He.
On.
She.
Ona.
We.
My.
They.
Oni.
What?
Co?
When?
Kdy?
Where?
Kde?
Why?
Proč?
How?
Jak?
Quiz time.
Ty. Ty. Samozřejmě. Samozřejmě.
The answer is
Děkuji. Děkuji. Ahoj. Ahoj.
The correct answer is
Kdy? Kdy? Promiň. Promiň.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next video.